So I have this old bag my mom knit for me. I love this bag, but due to it being knit I can't really use it. So I have decided to alter it, so I can use it properly. First order of business is going to be the strap. The weight of the items being put in the bag completely ruined the strap. It was also way too long. So I had to put a knot in it, which also ruined the strap. I'll add a fabric interlining, so the knitting of the pouch won't suffer like the strap. Finally I want to prevent the edges from curling. Using a knitting needle, I carefully take the bag apart. Now that I have the two pieces separate, I can measure everything. With these measurements, I can cut out a strip out of red fabric. But because I'm an idiot, I cut the wrong size and had to add a piece, as well as several 2cm strips of leather. I pin the red strip, so it's double-sided, then pin it to the bag, and sew it in place. I wrap all the edges with the leather, pin it all in place and sew it. I also wrap the side edges of the flap with leather. Next, I cut out the pieces for the interlining out of a vibrant pink fabric. At first I thought it was too short, so I added this piece, but it later turned out that made it too big. I also cut out side strips that I sew to the first piece. I then cut out pieces for some pockets. I wanted them to fit certain items, but their placements and the lining being too big made them not really function. I pin them where I want them and sew them. Then assemble the pouch. I sew it to the knit bag. First the back, then the front. I finish it off with a leather strip at the top edge. And that's the finished bag. The leather strips were really hard to sew on. I had to retouch them several times. But overall it looks much better and is actually usable. A big thanks to my mom, who sewed all the leather straps and the pockets. I hope you enjoyed this video. More sewing videos are in the works. Okay, bye.